Integrating indoor plants into daily life not only enhances the environment but also contributes to physical and mental health. My name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic artist based in India. I mostly do landscape painting and animals and bird portrait painting. Many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. So, in this class, we will be learning 15 different types of indoor plant with their benefits. Also, all these classes are mostly within 30 minutes. You can paint all these paintings within 30 minutes. Now this painting I have done in a white sheet, but you can also do it in a black sheet of paper, as you can see. So without wasting our time, let's start painting these beautiful indoor plants and let's dive into it.